Did you know you can add text notifications in Amazon Seller Central? Well, you can, so Amazon can text you in certain situations. What you can do is log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Then you're going to go under this little cog gear icon, Notification Preferences. Once you're there, then you're going to see all of these options where you have different notifications. Make sure you enable your email, you verify your phone number. It's going to text you a code, the basic stuff, and then it's going to inform you under certain areas. Now, I wish it was under every area, but right now it's only under certain ones like order notifications, merchant order notifications. It'll let you know, oh, it's ready to ship, time to ship now, you sold an item, basic things like that. But hopefully, Amazon upgrades it in the future. But definitely go through this setting and make sure that all the fields are filled out. Now, this is Amazon's actual SMS text message notification setting, like pretty much drop down so you can see more about it. You can also use SMS text message to request a text message with list of unshipped orders, details of selected orders, and it kind of goes through some other things. I do think Amazon's going to upgrade this over time, so definitely check it out. Check out the article, and that's pretty much it for today's video. If you need help selling on Amazon, I'm Josh with EHP Consulting Group. Links are right in the description to contact us or schedule a call, and I'm signing out.